Hey, what's going on, guys? Kamankinzi here. In this video I'm gonna be restoring some of the Python scripts that I've written about a couple of years ago, intended to crawl through the largest selection of commercial properties in the Netherlands. So Funda in business, and without further ado, let's actually have a look. So I have two crawlers, commercial sale and commercial rent, to extract the data respectively. So we're gonna be sticking to commercial sale in this video because just a matter of different like building different types of links to crawl through the specific parts of the website. But the logic and the extractors are usually the same for this type of site. So I just want to run this as is and see if it works. Well, most likely it doesn't, because usually web scrapers living no longer for a couple of weeks because the selectors might be changed or whatever. What else? I probably so we have the postcodes. Yeah, I will probably, yeah, I'm just wondering why. Yeah, it's okay. So I just want to drop after the first postcode parse links for cards. I just want to try to extract the only card. And what about the pages? Trying total pages. So here I just want to say total pages is equal to 1. Well, even if this fails, it might fail basically. But anyway, if it doesn't, just make sure that only one page to crawl, just for testing purposes. And the parse list sensor here, we should obtain a data set which would be stored here to the output folder. All right, so let's open terminal. Let's open a terminal in a current working directory, and I just say python 3 commercial sale.py, and let's have a look. Alright, even this goes somewhere. Well, it didn't extract anything, most likely because of the malform selectors for property links, but we have some successful requests, which is great. So here, postcode, friends, the postcode. So where does it print the postcode? I'm wondering. Yeah, here. So yeah, probably, yeah, this most likely the problem is with this selector. So it should be, I believe this is malformed. So what I do here, I just say with open ras.html. I want to write to the file stream as f, and say f.write and response.text, and then just return. So I want to have a look manually at the result in HTML file, and then I will go for recovering the selectors that would allow us to crawl through all the properties within the given. So we just search for something here. So how to crawl through this sort of links here. So it's probably just a new sort of selector there. Alright, so now it should create a ras.html file here. Alright, and it does. So far so good. So view in folder, and I want to open this in the browser to see. So maybe I might be treated as the buff, for instance. Nope. Yeah, accept cookies should be fine. Come on. Oh, it's just well, that's probably because of the local copy. But anyway, not exactly the page that this page just simply doesn't seem to contain much of the much of the data we're interested in. So all right, I'm wondering, so postcodes, do we have some? Just a simple range basically. Let's try to change the range. Maybe for a given postcode there is no property there. This might be as well. So is this different, or I'm not sure. Yeah, this cookie is gonna last forever, I believe. Okay, All right, so just don't want to be guessing for. Just don't want to be guessing like. So if I just don't make a break here, try to crawl through a bit more. Oh man, I want to be crawling through all of the postcodes now, I believe. Alright, do we have... Yeah, we have 2 concurrent requests. Alright, it's a little bit different from... what I've been encountering so far. So just need to debugging core things. I just need to think a little bit since this is live coding. Yeah, just facing a regular issue and thinking how to resolve this basically. So I want to let's go again from scratch. So I just want to have a look what kind of URL it comes through. So it's redirecting from here, so redirecting here, copy, so this is the URL. It does scroll through successfully. Whoa. If I don't go for, I go like this for instance. Nope. Yeah, it might happen that the initial URL is sort of malformed. Yeah, postcode 1000. Search. And nothing there, right? Yeah, just oh, this sort of a city. I just want to find a valid link where there is data, because if there is no data, then yeah. So just as far as I'm looking for certain postcode. All right. So let's go for Netherlands postcodes. Just trying to find some, I don't know. Yeah, Amsterdam is 1000. It's interesting. If I just try to search for Amsterdam, for instance, directly, what's gonna happen? Yeah, this does go like this. Does go like this. But why it doesn't do the same for a given postal code? I'm really wondering. It just does go for on a city-based, like 1000 AP. What am I trying to go for? 1000 AP. Hey. I know, it did work a couple of years ago. I'm not really sure what has gone wrong there, to be honest. Okay, so alphanumeric consider 4 digits followed by 2 uppercase letters. Letters like this were originally not used for technical reason. Okay, so AP actually. I'm wondering why I can't use this. So originally I didn't use any sort of letters there. It's interesting. That's really okay. And if I just hold on a sec, if I just try to search for for all. Okay, so if I don't go through the postcodes, for instance, I just want to make sure that the ground logic still works, and for that purpose, so commercial, all commercial properties. Okay, all commercial properties, and search. So this is the link. Copy. All right, I'm just, hold on a sec. So the URL was yeah, just want to compare the URLs here. So the actually working URL like this, and the one I've been crawling through was this one, and then it was redirecting me to, was actually redirecting to this one. So I'm just doing this nose for now. So this is not Python, obviously. These are just the commands. So this was the original, and this one that works. So let's run a compare. Does this stand for the whole, sort of the whole Netherlands? I'm wondering. What this coop stands for, and it goes for quite different. It goes for quite a different one. So if I just try, like, maybe without, yeah, they've definitely changed the logic of how the URLs are being formed. No, this doesn't work like so. So in this case, I'm not sure what this hail means. Might not be English even. Maybe this is the whole Netherlands. I don't know. It's really hard to say. But anyway, if I just change the base URL to this one, at very least it should have some thing there. And I don't go for this loop over the postal codes. So I just want to make a single HTTP GET request here, and here I will go for the base URL. And this should be just one there anyway, and we'll see if the response is gonna be actually different. So let's try again. Whoa. So sorry, self.base URL, obviously. Self.base URL, because this is the inner field of the class. Postcode is not defined. Yeah, it's not defined because, yeah, it's just not defined. Yeah, let's keep, probably we don't need, I'm not going to be using this count. We can drop the entire meta basically, but for now let's just comment this out. I just want to save the file there, and hopefully this gets different some sort. Okay, now this is really fantastic. So yeah, these cookies are a little bit annoying. It doesn't load to work nicely, but this still should be capable working with. Yeah, so view page source. Yeah, those cookies are nasty, but we should be having some. Okay, all right. So now we can do the following things. So just create a custom parse links here. Parse links, self and response object. And here I want to say with open ras.html. Now I'm opening the file that I've downloaded as file, and taking the response object equals to selector text equals to f.read. And now I'm going for link extraction here. So we'll start by inspecting if this works like the one that was used originally. So let's make a links equals to this guy, and let's, yeah, just print them if it is alive basically or not. And here I don't want to crawl through the entire thing. I just want to say commercial sale dot parse links self instance, so commercial sale instance, and faking the response object. So let's have a look. We do have something there, and we do. Whoa, this is good. This is good. So does it actually mean that the selectors might work? Looks like to be so, which is quite fascinating. So if I get rid of this, and all right, so now the problem here would be that I'm no longer posting this post code. So we don't use this. Not sure where exactly the count is used, so let's not print this one as well. Or just don't need this really. Don't really need this. Just want to get rid of all of the forwardings here. So don't want a postcode, don't want a file name. So no postcode. I'll make use of a little bit different file name later on. So let's just call it test.jsonl, or just JSON should be fine. Yeah. And let's restore the crawler. Oh, sorry, this is just my chess engine. I'm sorry, not my chess engine, but yeah. All right. So, yeah, parse links need to restore it back. And it still fails. But what about this one? I'm not exactly sure what this one stands for. Alright, so this looks like a listing, really. This really looks like a listing, which is awesome. Which means that in theory, so I don't want this stuff here. I just want to here say print just to make sure that I do get here. That's not, shouldn't be. Yeah, so parse listing. Yeah, we were just right over in there. I'm just wondering, does it accept something so that it doesn't? A whole lot of try accepts here, but I'm wondering why. Yeah, a whole lot of try accepts. Oh, test it just. Oh man, I should have say output and say instance.json because here is the file. Just do this run path. Okay, and can you believe this? We have the problem is that the most of selectors probably now no longer working, but we even have the latitude and longitude, which is good. And now we'll go for recovering this sort of a thing. So yeah, this is great. So from now on, this means that here we can do the same trick. And before we do the same trick, I just want to get rid of this one. So here in parse list, and I just want to save. Let's kick away this one. Delete. So just save with open, and again the same ras.html. Want to write to the file stream as file app.write response.text and return for now. So let's store this lesson into the file, and now probably will have some issues with trying to work with it, but let's have a look if I can count this somehow. So here is the proper listing. So does it go for a cookie? Okay, so let's inspect this element. And I'm wondering, can I just delete this? Can I just delete element? Okay. It's not really helpful though still. Inspect. Yeah, the way how it looks, not super fantastic. It's not super fantastic, but is there any data? Alright, hold on a sec. ID, URL, name, address, postal address. Yeah, it should be there. Just the problem is that I don't have. If I just manually, hold on a sec. If I just manually delete all the style text, then potentially I can. Not sure if I can bypass this sort of a thing, but Control F. Just looking for a style. If I just manual, I'm not sure exactly. This helps to focus the content at some point, but I'm not really sure. This is gonna change, and this cookie. One trust cookie concept notice start. Yeah, let's get rid of this one and see if this is somehow different now. All right, no cookies. Great. All right, so now I've just manually edited this response.html so that it doesn't upload this cookie request in the background, which is great. I'm not still sure though if I can inspect the elements nicely as this was before, but no, I do. I can do this, and yeah, this is fantastic. So from now on we can actually start working. All right. So I think that from now on, so I don't want this anymore. And here I want to separately run this parse listing. All right. And here in parse listing, I just want to say with open. So I'm using data from the local file rise.html as always as file. All right. And so taking the response object again equals to selector text f.read. And yeah, now I can use this response.css for all the selectors. Great. And finally, yeah, I want to be overwriting the file, so yeah, probably I can still use this one for, yeah, that's great. So let's rerun this again. Selector has no attribute meta, indeed it doesn't, but we don't really need that. What's the 140? Nope. All right, so this agent name, agent link, title and price. Oh, this title and price were passed via the meta. That's interesting. Why is that? Why was that like so? Wait a minute. No, actually. Listed, rental price, listed price. I'm not sure why this comes for rent. I was actually looking for a sale one, but well, currently it doesn't really mean that much. So I think I still can get started with this one, or alternatively, yeah, to be honest, title address. So I'm not sure why this. You see, like title has been. Oh, here they are. Yeah, I've been extracting those. I've been extracting those from. Yeah. Title, but they were not. Yeah, I've been extracting those from the previous layer for some reason. Let's have a look. Yes, things are getting a little bit complicated, but so yes, for instance, no, let's just go for all Netherlands here. Yeah, so here, oh, hold on a sec, this is exactly the same. I'm not sure, property, commercial properties. Ah, these are just all commercial properties, both sale and rent. So yeah, I just I just got a run link here, so I can later on restore it. So it's not a problem. It just goes for both sale and rent. So yeah, this is totally fine. This is totally fine. And so what I've been extracting. So title, well, title is, yeah, this is duplicated as well as the price. What else? I don't remember what was the reason doing like so 2 years ago when I was initially writing this script. Not sure really. Agent name and an agent link is not also available here, or maybe was. Oh, this was probably the agent link. Okay, bash room. So this should be an agent. Yeah, this is the agent link. And name. Yeah, but they are here as well. So it's not a problem. It's not really a problem. Okay, so yeah, I can just rewrite the logic now completely to extract everything from the list in itself. It probably wasn't available back in the day. I don't remember. I don't really remember, to be honest. But at the moment, I can go from here. So let's start with the title, basically. So span class object. Yeah, let's go for this one. And we go for, so I don't want a title here, I want a price. So here, response.css, and we're looking for a span with this like class. We want to extract the text and want to get. Let's put get down below here. And let's see if it's somehow different. ID is still not on the cards. Yeah, because we don't have the response. It's not a real response object, just the CSS selector. Price is not defined. Yeah, let's just make it like this for now. All right, agent name. Agent name and agent link is not available yet as well. Okay, now we got it. So reload and no title. All right, still no title for some reason. Still no title. Did I miss some span class? Is this exactly the one I have? Should be there. Come on, it is here. Object header title, span, class. So what's wrong? Doesn't it contain the, does this contain the text? What the heck is going on? Okay, I really feel confused to be honest. But anyway, let's go for a bit of a debugging here. So title. Oh, come on. It is there. So what's wrong? It has been extracted. It has been extracted. So what's really wrong? Reload. But I don't have the title. Can you believe this? Do I overwrite that or what? Features. Don't return. Yeah, it does extract the title, but somehow it gets... Okay, let's go a bit different way. Don't want to be too long. I just want to print the features directly here for now. So print JSON dumps features indentation equals to 2 spaces. Let's have a look. You must be kidding me. Oh, whoa, what do I? Oh, yes, like this. Okay, so do we have the title? Yeah, we do have the title here finally. That's good. Yeah, something is just, yeah, forget that file. So here is the data that we have. Here is the data that we have. So we have the title that has been restored. All right, now let's go for an address. So this should be the address, I believe, right? Inspect. Subject, subtitle, FD color. I'm not sure, but this looks, is this address? Should be. Surround us. I can't read this, but this is the same word as here. So yeah, that's why I assume that's an address. So here, it's very similar to this one. Just a different selector. just a different selector here, like so. Class and rate. Okay, now we have the address, which is great. Now the price. So we need all the text here. Is this? Yeah, it's all in one here. Yeah, I need to say that selectors has become much more appropriate, to say the least. It's really easier to do this now as opposed to 2 years ago, which is generally a very rarely accurate thing in web scraping, because usually it gets harder to to extract things every next year, but a year, fortunately, it's not the case, which makes me extremely happy about this. Whoa, hold on a sec. Span, class, object header, price. Oh, this is strong. This is not span. Excuse me. Strong. And here is the price. So far, so good. Okay, image URLs. So I'm looking for image URLs. Doesn't seem like. Yeah, this guy seems to be the image URLs. Okay. This guy should be the image URLs. Not the best ever size of those though. But do we have? Oh, it's even less. I'm not sure if they do actually provide like normal size images or not. It's not the best ever. Hold on a sec. Open link. New tab. I think media viewer, are this sort of encoded ones, or oh, hold on a sec. This is getting interesting. Okay, this is getting even more interesting. So source can be reached. All right, out video out. Yeah, this looks like more what I'm looking for. Yeah, exactly. The big normal sized images. So yeah, we're gonna be looking for those guys. I don't remember. I probably could have. So key features, extraction, building fabric, right? Surface areas, layout, extraction, energy certification, surroundings, coordinates. Yeah, so the images should be just bundled into. Where are the images? Yeah, so they are just bundled. Okay, so let's go for selector. So let's grab this one and then the image within this div. And I've been looking for a source set. Yeah, nope. Actually, source set. No, let's have source this time. Image URLs. Well, some definitely, yeah, extracted something, but not exactly what I've been looking for. Hold on a sec. Why didn't I do get all here? What? This is something. Okay. Yeah. let's just go step by step because yeah, I will add list comprehension a little bit later on, but for now just want to say here get all. See the list of selectors. Yes, A tags and then the images or it. Hold on a sec. Oh, these divs. Relative. Yeah. So first of all, I just grabbed the wrong class. So the class should be this. Yeah, now we have a lot, at least more than before. And now let's say CSS images and the attribute of source. Yeah, now it looks like something much better, but I think, yes, are they really the same? They are, which is not most fantastic ever, but yeah, it's definitely, but they all are the same. Yes, they are the same. Nope, they are not the same. Hold on a sec. No, they are not the same. Hold on a sec. In this case, this works. Yeah, they're different. Fantastic. All right. So in this case, just to make sure, if so, how many? 1, 2, 3, and that's pretty much all about it. So yeah, it's probably just yeah. This should be the same, but just the smaller size. Yeah. So yeah, I think we're done with this with the image URLs here. This should be working just like as is. Great. Okay, then let's go agent name and agent link. So here we have the agent name, so inspect and link, so we should hopefully use the only selector for both. So if I just try to grab this one, so agent name will say response CSS, it was A with this class, and here want to extract the text and get, and let's see if it works. So the agent name, yes, indeed, and the agent link is going to be the same, but instead of text, we're looking for the attribute href. And yeah, we just need to probably say Funda like this, and this should be just yeah, agent link, perfect. So let's say here like so, plus does the syntax allow me doing things like this? Does. Just want to make sure the link works right out of the box. Okay. And it does. Perfect. Okay, that's just amazing. So then what? The description. We have the full description here, which is fantastic. And then yeah, starting from the key features and the rest of things. So yeah, these are the features: transfer, construction, surface area, energy, surroundings. Yeah, I think we have all features, transfer. Yeah, so this should be the key features, exactly. Okay. DL and DD tags. Yeah, we're gonna be. There's probably another set of malform selectors. Okay, so now, nope. Now I want to print the resultant data set at the very end. Paste, and yeah, so far I don't want to write to file. Okay, now we're going to be starting from the key features. Yes, I've been reusing the code, which is self-explanatory. H3 class, feature selector, feature keys and feature values. So feature selector is whoa. It's not like object. Here. Is this the same? This looks like to be okay. Just want to print the feature selector if there anything available. And for now, we're not printing anything else to avoid getting distracted. Okay, so we got this. So what's wrong in this case? I'm wondering really. So if this take things, so this one works. Feature keys. Rental price listed since status acceptance. Yes, indeed. So what's wrong? Feature values. Feature vals. Oh, no feature vals, and it just uses the length of the vals. Well, that's clear. Okay, so dd.text is no longer in dd. dd. Oh, it's now there is a span there. So now dd.text. Let's say all the text recursively in dd. Does it do the trick? Indeed. Oh, awesome. This is just awesome. And if I know that everything properly, it should add some. It should add some. Oh, we even have this energy label. So yeah, key features are now available. So far, so good. So let's see if this trick works for. It probably should work for the rest of things. So heaters, key features. Nope. Hold on a second. Building fabric. Yeah, building fabric. Vals. So all the text recursively. This space and star stands for extract all the text recursively from the given structure. And fantastic, we have the built-in fabric being added here. So far, so good. Surface area extraction. So here probably we should do like this. Feature keys, maybe not. Hold on a sec. No, it's just only for vals. Surface areas are now available. Good. Layout. Is there anything? Yeah, we got the layout. Nice one. Energy certification. Wondering if probably energy. Yeah, it works even without this, but Yeah, it just works without that as well, but just can keep it up. All right, and surroundings. So here are the surroundings, and let's have a look. There might not be surroundings though. Oh, they are actually. Absolutely fantastic and amazing here. Okay, so now we have the entire data set being just right there. So let's see if it does. It gets written to, and it gets written to the file, and we got a whole lot of data being available, which is really nice. So I'll now work a little bit more on ensuring that the crawling logic would go a little bit different, but yeah, that already goes like beyond the scope of this web scraping restoration tutorial, so I'll probably just end up here to avoid this video lasts forever. And yeah, maybe the only thing, probably one last thing I will do is just to run this for one single property, basically. Just to run this for one single property. We actually don't need these guys at all. I'll clear those up. Yeah, which I just want to add the ID and response URL. We don't use postcode anymore, and the rest should work. So yeah, let's just run this from scratch for a single given property and see if it does extract the data better than before now. Okay, we got our test.json, we're load, and indeed we have the ID, the URL, and now a whole lot of features is being available. So the proof of concept is now done, and now it's just a matter of the details. But yeah, details are always taking the vast majority of the time span. This is it from my side, guys. If you're interested in having this sort of a data, please let me know in the commentaries. We'll talk about this via email, I believe. So I'm okay to talk about providing the scripts. And yeah, for those who has been learning from this video, thanks for watching. Until the next time, and take care.